Hey everyone, do you know what is Lockout Tagout? In this video, we'll learn what is Lockout Tagout, its key points, types, and basic steps to perform it. So let's get started. First of all, Lockout Tagout is also called LOTO. It is a safety procedure to make sure that dangerous machines or equipment are completely shut off and cannot be turned on while someone is maintaining or repairing it. This procedure helps to prevent the unexpected or accidental startup of equipment, which could cause serious injuries or even death to workers. Now let's discuss the key points of Lockout Tagout. First, lockout means placing a physical lock on an energy source such as a breaker, switch, or valve. This lock ensures that the equipment cannot be restarted accidentally. Anyone who wants to restart the equipment must first remove the lock. Second, tagout means attaching a warning tag that shows who locked it, why it was locked, and when it was locked. The tag tells others that the equipment is under maintenance and should not be operated. Next, let's talk about the types of energy controlled by Lockout Tagout. LOTO is not just for electricity. It also controls other types of energy such as mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, thermal, and chemical energy sources. Now let's discuss the basic steps to perform Lockout Tagout. First, notify affected workers. This means telling everyone who works with the machine that it will be shut down for maintenance. Second, shut down the machine. This means following the machine's procedures to put it in a safe state. For example, this may involve turning off all motors and releasing any stored energy. Third, isolate the energy source. This means disconnecting the machine from its energy source, such as turning off the main power supply or locking the control valve. Fourth, apply the lock and tag. This involves putting a lock on the isolated energy source and attaching a tag to the lock. The tag should have information such as the date, the reason for the lockout, and the worker's name who is performing the maintenance. Fifth, verify zero energy. This means checking to make sure that all energy sources are turned off and the machine is in a safe state to work on. You can do this by using tools such as voltage testers or by physically inspecting the machine. Sixth, perform the work safely. Now that the machine is locked out and you have verified that it is safe to work on, you can begin your maintenance or repair work. Lastly, remove the lock and tag. Only when the job is completed and you are ready to start the machine again, do not remove the lock and tag until you are finished. After removing the lock, you must also check that everything is in order and safe to start. Then you can restart the machine and notify others that it has been released. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more videos like this. And thank you for watching.